Oh, hey guys. Today I got something for you from Amazon to review. This is the ARISD 22-piece auto body paintless dent removal kit. I unfortunately got a dent on my car and I really got upset about it. And you know what? I looked on Amazon and I saw this and I said, hey, what the heck? Let me give it a try. So this comes with get a free gift. I guess they would like you to share your experience and then you can get a free gift. Cool. The bottle's for, I believe, alcohol to put in to clean the car before you put it on. Here's your instructions. Two scrapers, I guess, to get some of the glue off. A little cloth, black cloth. A hot melt gun. I mean, come on, I guess this was about what, 17 bucks, something like that. You get a hot gun. You get, these are the glue sticks that you use to actually put on this. Let me move this. Okay, move this. Actually use the glue to put on these okay. You put the glue, actually, this is the actual unit. You put the glue on this. If you have a dent, put the glue on here, and then what you do is, let's say this is your car, you're going to stick this.
Take this off here.
You put the glue on here, you stick it to the car, let it dry, and then this goes back on top of this like this. You have to adjust this, actually, that one's a little big, but anyway, put this on, and then slowly, once this is dry, you slowly keep turning this until it pops and the dent is less than it was before or is removed. But just be careful, read the directions, instructions, or contact the manufacturer to make sure you're using it properly. It comes with this puller that sits on the car with that. This, they come a bunch of different sizes. Real nice kit for that price. Look at that. It's excellent. Especially, a lot of kits don't have a lot of those little dings you have on the car. A lot of those kits don't have that. So you get a nice small one there. Really good. But anyway, guys, check it out. This is the ARISD 22-piece auto body paintless dent removal toolkit. Check it out on Amazon. Have a great day.